Hey, it's Sarah and James, and it's a beautiful day in Indio today at our new listing in Sun City.
Welcome to 81206 Avenida Sombra. We're in Sun City, Shadow Hills today and have a gorgeous, cool home overlooking the golf course with chocolate hills. We have an outdoor kitchen, over 2,600 square feet, and so much to show you today. So come on in and take a look with us.
Let's go.
Come on in. Welcome to your open concept living room, immediately greeted by gorgeous golf course views. We have an entertainer's fireplace over here. Your grand gourmet kitchen with breakfast nook still looking over the golf course next to your beautiful sparkling pool. Gas burning stove, new microwave, stainless steel appliances, walk-in pantry, double oven, leading you into your designated dining room. We have a den here that could double as a third bedroom. Office, pull-out Murphy bed. Down the hallway, we'll head to our primary bedroom, but first see your half bath. And check out your enormous, oversized primary bedroom with backyard access. Get ready for your bathroom that's even as big as a bedroom. You have a soaking tub here, walk-in shower here, and check out this incredible walk-in closet. Now let's go outside and check out one of the best parts to the house. Here you have your sparkling Pebble Tech pool and spa overlooking the golf course. And how about this outdoor kitchen? I mean, an entertainer's dream over here. You have your built-in barbecue, separate grill, another barbecue, wine fridge, heater for those cold winter nights, a lemon tree. You have absolutely everything. We have a covered patio here with ceiling fan and TV. Now let's go check out the second bedroom. Here's your guest, second bedroom with ensuite. Nothing's better than having your personal laundry room where you can get it all done, not having to share the space anywhere else. Last but not least, we have a 3-car garage with ample storage, a new hot water tank, and the 3rd car space for your golf cart. One last look at those gorgeous golf course views, chocolate mountains. You don't want to miss this one. This is luxury living at its finest in Sun City, Shadow Hills.
Thank you so much for joining us on our tour today.
Give us a call with any questions at all. We look forward to seeing you next time.
Bye.
Bye.